Everything about this resort is just completely stunning. I mean, from the furnishings that they have to the service, the people, it's just incredible. I don't think you could actually see everything at this resort in a week, truthfully. Like, there's that much to do here. I ate there at Sticks Noodle Bar last night. It was really, really good. And they have a great place called the Pizza Lab downstairs. Of course, they have multiple Starbucks throughout this place. Bring your family. Come. At Red Wolf Travel Can Help. Hit us up on Facebook.